Okay, well, we finally made it around the corner. We was here an hour and a half before opening gate, and we didn't even make it this far. But I did run into the lovely Christina, my newest and best fair wife. Just saying. Okay, so what that means, I don't know. Look it up in your urban dictionary. Figure it out. There we go. This is one of the favorite places. I've come and just sit here for like 3 hours straight watching every show, but the weather's too good. Got to keep moving today. When it's like 90 degrees, you like watching them, don't you? Escape. Good, good, good. Yeah. We can see you except when you're in, you know, locked up. Let's see. Okay, she's just absolute trouble right there. Absolute. Huh? Oh, yeah. So, the gate or walking? What? Okay. 11. Too far away. They have a show that they start now with the NPCs at 11 a.m. And it's in the very back of the Windsey Woods. I'm like, that's a trek. You don't even get to hang out for... I look at, I love the outfits and stuff. When people's in outfits, it's cool. Whatever they are, so. I'm so used to looking here for my watch, but it's like I look like a 100-year-old man when I put my big giant watch there. It's like, look, I'm not even 70 yet. Ain't that weird? I'm not 70 yet. I'm 61.
You need to get you a really cool chain pocket watch.
Oh, I've got them. I've got tons of pocket watches. Do I wear them? No. Look, I wear my Walmart one until it dies and then buy a new one for 15 bucks. That's been my deal. Yeah. That's new. All that's new. We're just getting a feel, people. I do have my backup battery. I'll hook up sometime. All these benches are new. Everywhere that you see, there's benches everywhere. They added them in. It's absolutely awesome for people to have places to sit. Just walking the pass. That's right, people. Who knows? So got a new pathway here, gravel connecting, or appears to be. More tents, more. That's why they got new gravel, to allow new vendors to come here. It wasn't for just our benefit. No, heck no. It was for the vendors, and which will lead us to them. Okay, I see what's happening here. All right, all's well. Oh, we're in this shade and this breeze, but it's not bad. I do have a mission. If you see a place that looks like it might sell a skull cap or something, I need one. I've lost mine. I gotta have something. I've got my old farmer's hat in here, but I'm really not going for that. You like wings? You've seen my wings I wear during Christmas at church, ain't you? My giant wings. No, you would know if you saw that. I don't remember. Okay, then. We're walking. We're seeing more people. Went very far. How you doing? People are trying to get attention. The lines are not out of whack. It's great. Oh, I ate. I ate here. And here's here. We have. Did I get a picture of you and your friends? I didn't.
No.
Come here. And we're walking still. Let's see who.
Ladies, you remember the woman's name, the maiden's name.
Hello. I love people. They're having good times, entertaining. Oh.
That's nice. I like the breeze.
Breeze is good. That's right. Skull caps. Greetings. So you probably love the button shop down here.
Yes, that's where I got
The
all
wood.
my buttons.
Okay. Well, we definitely need to go peek in there. My one friend I hugged, well, never mind, you have no idea. She used to own this when it was the pottery and stuff. Do you remember that? Okay. So then he come out, was?
I've only been doing season passes for 3 years now.
Okay. Oh, that was my other question. When are you coming back other weekends?
Yeah, every weekend. I'll be here at some point.
Oh, okay. Well, I won't hug you every weekend. Depends. Oh, look at that. This is the best. You want some woodwork? You come in here. I'm going to look around here. Then we used to have the buttons on they're on both sides. Got the pins. I don't know why I say buttons, but pins. Everything you want, and they'll make them too. Look at this. Should definitely check it out. Is that not good? Is he out there? Let me guess.
Immediately.
See here, they got shinies. What's a shiny? Oh, where's? Oh. All right. Well, we're walking around. We made it to the intersection here, going up to Whimsy Woods, but we're going the other way. We're heading towards the Swordsman stage to see the new show, a pickle show by the NPCs. That they're absolute professionals, so it should be absolutely perfect. We'll check it out. But what do we got here? Is that the Jackdaws getting prepared? They are. I love them. So, right there, right there's us, just on the other side. You can sit in the window.
Not allowed to skip across.
It's all right. We don't never. I never. You think I cross that? No, I'd fall down and die. Other people, but you can sit right there in the little whimsy area and listen.
Nice.
So Jackdaws at 11:45. You know what? We get a little time. Let's see Jackdaws for a little bit, because it's not 12:15. I love them. Oh, we get a front row seat. We caught one song from the Jackdaws, which are great. We're going to go check. We're going to go check on a pickle show. Like I said, these are from the NPCs. Oh, she spotted someone.
Okay, you want to watch the sword fighting? It starts at 1.
But you know, we've been really good as Fairlife, but then the alcohol started rolling. That's all I'm saying.
Oh my God.
It's good. Nothing to see here. Thanks everyone for watching the 2025 Ohio Renaissance series. Be on the lookout for them daily. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe and feel free to like, comment, and share. I post videos from events and things to do all around Miamisburg and beyond, so come back anytime to see what's new. I'm Miamisburg Jay, sharing real people, real places, and real stories. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.